Hi vlog, how is it going today? My day has already started. It's been started for a couple hours now. I just didn't have my camera, so I apologize for that. It's currently 1 p.m. Trevor and I went and got coffee this morning, went and let my brother's dogs out, and then we took Scooter to his grooming appointment, so he's finally getting a haircut. He's gonna look so cute. I'll take you guys with me to go pick him up, but I'm really excited because he was really overdue for a haircut and he's just gonna look so cute and soft. I've yet to eat anything all day. I've been up for a couple hours now, so I'm gonna make a sandwich. Not too much going on today. I might play Fortnite in a little bit. Yeah, so let's make some lunch together.
That game just...
Trev is more of a turkey kind of guy. Love me a good ham. Bit of lettuce. Tomatoes. Yum. Sammy's. And mine. And Trev's. To go along with my sandwich, I'm making a little tea. So I've been obsessed with teas lately. I don't know what's going on with me. The reason I need so much ice is because I literally have practically boiling water steeping my tea. I have a whole lime. I'm literally gonna cut it. I want some lime. We're gonna put the lime slices in my drink. I do have simple syrup from when Julia and I made cocktails in the very beginning of my vlogs. So I'm gonna take this and I don't know, we're gonna make a tea cocktail. I don't know how much to put. Fuck, here we go. Literally so much of that spilled. It's super cute, but we gotta mix it. Let's try it. It needs to be cold though. It needs a splash of lemon. All I have is this. Now I don't have that. Oh my god, that's so good. I feel like this is gonna be me all summer with a tea. So good. Okay, I just got the call that Scooter's ready to be picked up, so come with me to go pick up my dog. Let's see how cute he is. It's Scooter, he's a different dog. He's literally a different dog, guy. Oh my gosh. Look at his face, it's so short.
Everything is short.
Hi,
She did a good job though.
Oh my god.
No way his snout is that small.
You're so cute. How was it? I literally can't get over how freaking cute Scooter is. Scooter. Hi. His head looks so funny and his snout is so long, but he's so cute. Anyway, I'm gonna edit my YouTube video now. My dog's fucking humping a pillow right now, bro. Ugh. I feel like Sundays are for midday movies. So we're watching Kraven the Hunter. I've wanted to see this for a while. It's got Aaron Taylor Johnson in it, and Trevor and I are gonna smoke a little bit first.
I got you one and I got me one.
Ooh. Look how cute this little guy is right here. Oh my god.
Wait, but don't show what Cobb literally just did 2 seconds ago.
Okay, I won't. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm gonna show the dinner I made. Like I filmed the entire thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the vlog or not. If I did, you just saw it. If I didn't, you're not gonna see it. It's not often that I mess up dinner so bad that it's unedible. Unfortunately, today I did. Literally, I tried making dinner. I made shrimp fried rice, but I think I went wrong so many times. I think where I mainly went wrong was I thought I was making stir fry. Like in my head, I was like, I'm making stir fry. But with my hands, I was making chicken fried rice or vice versa. And no, it just didn't, it ended up being like slop. I don't know how someone can mess up fried rice, but I did. So we ordered Wingstop. I'm really excited because I love Wingstop so fucking much. I'm just kind of laughing at myself and I don't know. I think everything happens for a reason, so. It is 5:30 right now. The latest arrival time is 7 p.m. So it's gonna be a while. Oh my god, you're so funny. Okay, so we got Wingstop, y'all.
We got Wingstop. Let's go. And Dr. Pep. Didn't you get Dr. Pepper? Let's go. Oh, damn.
That's pretty good. Let me try mine. No, Diet Coke is so much better.
That Diet Coke isn't bad. But it's ass compared to Dr. Pep.
Yeah. We're done.
Oh! Oh!
Oh no, they're
It's
seeing.
K-Jam.
I know, but they're seeing the floor.
babe, check this out, Show it. No, show the floor. Total lunar eclipse.
Oh, look at the stars. Oh, now do it, babe. Now do total solar eclipse.
Total lunar eclipse.
Anyway, oh my fucking god. Let's get back to the movie. Oh my god, the way I have horns right now is actually hilarious. Oh, I'm so blessed right now because Trevor is making me brownies. I'm also doing my Duolingo, which I decided I'm gonna also start learning Finnish soon. And I started piano lessons, which is really cool, so. Er moren din tannlege?
Maria, du journalist?
Maria, du journalist?
Hvorfor jobben din stressende?
Why is your job stressful?
Hvorfor jobben din interessant?
Why is your job interesting? Yeah! Look at that. Ooh! Are you 118 days into learning a new language? Didn't think so. Trevor's making us brownies now, and I can't wait.
Yeah, I need to find that recipe.
Oh my, I bet your mom still has it, 100%.
I think she gave it to me.
Cottage cheese with black pepper and honey.
Okay, that sounds really good. I'm glad that you like that a lot.
Thank you.
Bringing relief. Whatever this is that's coming in, you guys.
I fucked up, man. I was only supposed to add 1/3 cup of sugar, but I accidentally added all the sugar that it called for.
Before?
Oh, these are about to be so good.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, this is the final turnout. Ooh, chocolate looks really good. Taste it. You hate him.
Huh?
You hate him.
What?
You hate him.
No? Okay, this is officially the end of the vlog. I love you guys so much. I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. And I'm manifesting that we're all gonna have a good Monday. So, putting that up in the air. We're gonna have a great Monday. It's gonna be an amazing day. I'm manifesting so many of my packages come tomorrow. I'm manifesting a good filming day.
Tomorrow's Monday, the start to a new week.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good week. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And see you tomorrow. Bye.